7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
But I promise you, baby, I'll always be
Okay guys, so I will be doing a giveaway. So I'm gonna be giving away these 3 packs right here, and these are the color burgundy, and here it is. One of you lucky beauties are gonna win these 3 packs of hair, and it also comes with the 2 clips and with the hair accessories that I actually just put on my hair. So one of you beauties are gonna win these 3 hair packs, which is amazing. And this is my first giveaway, so watch out for more. There's more coming, hopefully next year. So all you gotta do to win this hair is make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed, you're not gonna win. Make sure you're subscribed. And what you have to do is go ahead on my Instagram, just go ahead and give me a follow my Instagram account, and come back to this video and just comment done, and I'll be picking a winner in about 1.5 weeks. So, and within 3 days, if you don't answer, I will be picking someone else. And so all you gotta do is make sure you're subscribed, go to my account, my Instagram account, give me a follow, and come back and comment done, and I will be giving these 3 beautiful spring hair away to one of you beauties. That's all you gotta do. And I wanted to give back to you guys for being so supportive and all of the beautiful comments that I get on my last hair. It was amazing, and I appreciate all the love. And I just want to say, for this hair I used all 3 packs, and I wanted to combine both methods because for some of you who want to do the cornrow, you can do it. You can do your full head cornrow and just do it, but I wanted to combine both the cornrow and the rubber band.